All right, good morning, America. Good morning, world. You might remember this video. I was here. Remember the rocks, the hole. But look what I found as I was walking. See? It's Indian pottery, or Native American pottery. My bad. Look at that. You know, I found that walking through the rocks. Huh, but that's pretty cool. Let's go over here and show you this. Now I have a flashlight. And now we can look better. We're gonna come to that. I thought this was just a little sleeping area, but it ain't. But we're going in. If you don't remember watching this video, watch it before, because I might miss something, and then you guys can yell at me later and tell me what I missed. All right, going in further here. That's a Coors Light can. Remember this? I still don't know what the heck that is. Oh, come on, focus. I don't know what that is. Let's see where they were going in. That's silver. There's a lot of silver. Somebody could make a killing if they just wanted to work. And this is probably burn. Like they had a little fire. Yep, see, look, fire here. All right. Okay, and then remember all this over here. Oh, that's not moving. See, icicle. Oh, gee, it goes further. And it goes that way too. Yeah. Look at that. My bad. Look where they went. Unbelievable. Oh, it's cold back here. Look at all this. Hold on. Oh, jeez. I guess I'm not doing that. But look at that. They went up in there. They went all the way down through here. And then they filled it in. So they mined over there. And then when they went this way, hold on. I'm getting there. See? See that? That's all about 2 feet. So guess what? I can crawl a little bit. Show you. A little bit more. But see, they went to town. Even up there, look at everything. This is one of the bigger ones I've been to. I've seen them this big, but they were like 100 feet under the ground, you know, and then they went over there. But I don't trust myself getting through this little squatting hole with my big butt. But I don't think I need to. I was wrong in the other video. Try to tape without taping the ceiling. I apologize. But unbelievable. And this, there's a little dip over there, but I ain't going through there. It's not very wide. So if it's not very wide, hey, let's look over here. Look at the size of that icicle. Unbelievable. Well, my bad. I'm glad I brought the mag light. And if anyone out there works for Maglite, I'd love another one. You know, I'm not a selfish guy, but, you know, Maglite, help me out. Oh, we're going to get out of here. Maybe. It still gets me. Wish I could go over there. Whew. Well, you know what? I'm glad I came back. Oh, yeah, and another 2 things. One, we're going to walk out of here for a minute and light a cigarette. I want to make sure I got everything and nothing fell out while I was crawling. There's a couple things. One, that little area over by that EW 1947 mine, the one that I said. See, there's that. where I said that I'd look. Well, there's a big rock in the way. And there was no point. They did that on purpose. So skinny people could get in and out. There was a secret way. And another thing, I can go through there real quick. Oh,